Beats by Dallas, make it hurt.
Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome to our channel. If you haven't visited our channel here before, please like and subscribe down below. Just to give you a little quick review, this is my 1995 Toyota Supra non-turbo model. This is a project, so I have been rebuilding it a little bit here and there, or restoring as you would say. I wanted to give you a quick review on our products, but today we'll be focused on the radiator hose kit. Alright guys, so you guys can see I do have a bunch of stuff done to the car already. Being that the car is about 20 years plus old already, a lot of the hoses are gonna tend to crack, get hard, leak, and just over time you're just gonna have to replace it. So as you can see, I already replaced all the hoses already on this car, but we're just gonna be talking about the upper and lower hose in this case. I think the reason why you should be replacing, you know, the OEM factory hoses, of course they are rubber hoses. They don't tend to last as much longer, or as long as silicone. Rubber hoses are one-ply polyester, so they don't hold as much pressure as silicone does. Now if you do purchase our hoses are three-ply polyester versus the one-ply that does come with the factory rubber hoses. And then our hoses, since they are silicone, they do last longer and can resist more heat than the rubber hoses. A little bit of facts on the rubber hoses. The rubber hoses can withstand about 250 degrees and the silicone can withstand about 350 degrees. So when I installed these are like pretty much direct fitment. They fit pretty much perfect. I didn't have to modify anything, cut anything. They pretty much just fit like OEM. So if you guys want to know more about the other products on this car, tune in on the next episode. Otherwise, thank you for watching and like and subscribe.